Welcome to Skunda Soups. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make an easy vegan burger. Really easy, just a few ingredients. So we got our chickpeas. A lot of people like to use black beans, but I like chickpeas for just a change. We got some parboiled rice, we got some onions, we got walnuts, we got some McCormick seasoning, and then we got some breadcrumbs, and then we got some paprika and chipotle chili pepper, which gives it that smoky kind of taste. So we are gonna make the best, most awesome vegan burgers. Okay, ready to go. I got my little food processor. I'm gonna take my walnuts and I'm gonna grind them up. This recipe is so easy. It's literally just like 10 ingredients and it's just so easy. We're gonna just perfect, nicely ground. Okay, so we're gonna take our chickpeas, throw them in a pot. There we go. We got our mixing pot. We're gonna mash them up. And we're gonna mash them up so they're mostly mashed, but some can be like a little half mashed. Basically mostly mashed. So just mash, 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 mash. So now we're gonna take our rice that's already made, throw that in there. Right. Mash that up a little bit with this together. And now, very easy, we're gonna put some of our breadcrumbs in. There we go. We're gonna put some of our McCormick seasoning in. We're gonna give that a mix. And then we're gonna put our walnuts in. Crushed walnuts. To this to give it a little bit of that color. Nice. Okay, and then I'm gonna add my chipotle chili pepper. Look at that. Look how nice that looks. I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic powder. Just a couple of sprinkles. And we're gonna mix it up again. So, we got our mixture looking really good. And now we're just gonna add some of our onions in there. These are just raw onions. There we go. And I like it really with a lot of nice onion taste. So then we're just gonna mix it up again. Perfect. We are gonna just make a version on the skillet, and then we're gonna make a version on the grill. So these are grillable, so they're really easy, really fun to make. So what we're gonna do is you take your hand and just make them into patties. Here we go. Make them as big as you want, or as little as you want. You can make sliders or whatever kind you want. There, that looks like a nice patty. And I'm just gonna throw it on the grill. I'm on the skillet. You can put it on the grill afterwards, but grill marks too if you want. Here. Nice. Another one. Since we had our skillet already heated up, I'm gonna just slightly turn this. And you see how nice that's turning? It's beautiful. We have our grill already started. You can grill this inside or outside. And because they stay together, unlike a lot of vegan or vegetarian patties, these actually stay together. So you can grill it outside for July 4th, Memorial Day, any of the grillable occasions. So this is heated up. So I'm gonna put this on here now, and we're gonna grill that out here. So we're gonna make one version in the skillet and one version on the grill, and I'm sure they will be awesome. Look at that, that's turning out great. These are cooking great. Okay, so remember, don't turn it too many times because we don't want it to break. So I've already turned it once. And then cook it for about medium heat for about 5-7 minutes on one side, turn it, flip it, 5-7 minutes on the other side. Great, and then we got some on the grill too. I'm gonna turn this and see how this is doing. Perfect. Look at that. It still needs more time, it's not browned yet. Once that we're in the skillet, already almost done. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take them, just create a little bit of grill marks and put them on the grill. So it seems like the skillet is going a little bit faster. We're going to put these on there. And you can do that too. Cook them on the skillet first and then put them on the grill afterwards. Let's take a look at these ones. These ones are on the grill. I'm going to slowly, gently turn them. Look at that. A little bit of grill mark stuff going on. Perfect. We have our burger all ready and we have it put on our bun and we're going to just have it for our wonderful veggie burger. There you go. Let's give this a taste and see how this wonderful burger turned out. That's so awesome. There's no way. I mean, that tastes so good. It has that smoky flavor of the meat. It's so awesome. There's no way you're gonna be missing anything when you're making this vegan burger. And it's vegan, no egg, no anything. So it's so good for you, full of protein, and so good. And it's grillable, so you can join everybody. When they're grilling their meat burgers, you can grill this. So today's thought of the day is going to be about keeping yourself healthy, keeping yourself positive, doing all the fun things outside, getting lots of fresh air, eating healthy food like this, eating vegetarian, keeping yourself positive, and don't be afraid, don't give in to the hype. Just keep yourself positive and keep doing all the good things. Namaste, we'll see you next time on Skanda Soups.